Okay, good morning all of you. My name is Dr. Anil Kumar Mehta. I am a consultant physician practicing for last 23 years in Delhi as a general practitioner. Today's topic of discussion is diabetes. Diabetes it's a very comorbidity existing in our community, defined as a disorder which affects all organs of the body, leading to increase in sugar level due to deficiency of insulin, which occurs due to lack of insensitivity of the body organs to sensitivity of insulin to different organs, and also due to lack of insulin due to decreased production of the insulin in pancreas, leading to its various comorbidities in every organs of the body. Mainly its symptoms are polydipsia, polyphagia, polyuria, and delayed wound healing. And there are various types of diabetes. Mainly in our community there is, the type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is existing in children's, young adults. Type 2 is existing in old age. Type 1 is known as due to lack of insulin, the patient is devoid of any insulin, so we have to replace the insulin. And type 2, there is decreased sensitivity of insulin, so it's lead to various disorder, mainly existing in old age. So we have to replace insulin, increase sensitivity. There are various drugs available to treat. Okay, now we come to the complication. There are various complications of diabetes. Mainly it affects eyes, peripheral system, nerves, kidney, heart, every organ of the body. And we can divide into microangiopathy and macroangiopathy. Micro means small vessels of the body leading to reduced sensation, altered sensation, microvasculature of the body. Example is diabetic foot, reduced sensation, numbness leading to foot ulcer and diabetic foot. It's nowadays a huge problem in our community. So I am discussing in this topic diabetes because it's a very major disorder in our world. The patients are increasing more than 6 million, and its incidence is 2 or 3 adults or children every 10 giving birth to a baby. Means every 10 individual, 1 or 2 or 3 persons are having diabetes. There are various measures you can screen the diabetes, mainly by fasting, blood sugar, postprandial sugar, and also by HbA1c. So I will just cut short my topic discussion. You can take any information or contact me at my clinic, at my website, thebread.com, Dr. Mehta. Thank you.